Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you guys who have been following my channel for a while, you know that I've been gone for the last 7 days, been on vacation with my family up in Colorado, one of my favorite places here in the United States. And I am back. I am back in my studio here in Dallas, and very excited about bringing you the latest and greatest videos and getting live, getting back onto doing lives for you guys. There's my mistake for the first time. There you go. Not even going to edit that out. Getting back to live videos and things like that. I'm really excited about that, and in fact, I may even be doing one tonight here in about an hour or two, just because I need to connect and want to connect with you guys. So let's talk about Safemoon. There's a lot going on with Safemoon, guys. I wasn't able to do a Safemoon video while I was on the road, but I have got a ton to talk to you guys about. There is the possibility of a squeeze, a squeeze happening, a Safemoon squeeze happening, and it being the next AMC stock. I know this is a couple of days old. I get it, but I want to talk about this, as well as there are 3 reasons while Safemoon price might go up 60%. Hey, that's kind of cool. Oh, by the way, you know, it's final. This is the app icon for the Safemoon wallet. We got a lot to talk about. Safemoon is doing some really cool stuff. All right, so let's talk about it real quickly. The overall state of the union, Bitcoin rallying back. We got everything moving up about 4, 5, 6+%. That's okay, all right? Safemoon is exactly kind of in line with that. Let me refresh this real quickly. Yep, we're up 3.42%, all right? And I like that we're kind of gradually we're in this little bit of a period of a consolidation and maybe starting to gradually stair step, there's another mistake, stair step back up. Volume's up 72%. Overall market cap's up 3.5. We're still sitting at the 205 ranking. I'm going to remind you guys, there's 10,000 plus cryptos out there and brand new ones coming up every day. And Safemoon has delineated themselves. They've differentiated themselves. They are doing really well. I'd love this token. I want it to be readily and easily available on some additional markets. You know, it's you know, like you know, Coinbase and you know, some of the others like Coinbase and just some of the others is what I'm saying. And I'm hopeful that that will come in the very near future. All right, so we're going to talk about the overview though. I think where we're headed is a slow, nice, steady movement up, unless we get some really interesting scenarios developing. We've got this one where there's a movement afoot. There's your word of the day, afoot. A movement afoot with Safemoon squeeze. You know, right here, Safemoon squeeze, right? And that is a trending scenario that crypto fans are trying to get Safemoon to be the next AMC stock. Okay, so I forgot, what is that? Hashtag Safemoon squeeze is trending on Twitter this morning as holders hope to push prices higher. It hasn't transpired yet, guys, but if you were not aware of this, again, this happened 2 or 3 days ago. I know that, so don't bash me in the comments like, Austin, this is 2 or 3 days old information, because I've been on the road for 2 or 3 days and I have not been able to make a Safemoon video, and I wanted to talk about this because I think this is something that could still happen. It could still kind of be moving, you know, it could be moving and starting to maybe gather some steam. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on this for you guys. All right, and so the whole point here is that they are altcoin buyers are looking for something to rally around as Safemoon trends on Twitter and inspired by the success of our Wall Street bets. So they're trying to squeeze the price and get it to move up. Okay. Safemoon now has the potential to be the next GameStop or AMC with that massive run-up that they had. You know, we'll see if that will transpire. I mean, as of yet, guys, you know that it hasn't. I mean, we're only moving up 3.5, but this could take a little bit of time. You know, sometimes those movements take a little bit of time. Okay, so I wanted to talk about it, and if you weren't aware of it, you can go check out this article. It's over on Investor Place. You can check this out for free. Just go over to Investor Place and just type in Safemoon, and you will be able to find this article. If you want to read it at length and at your leisure, you're more than welcome to go check that out. Okay, so other things that are transpiring, right? We've got the Safemoon wallet. The beta signup is now closed. They've got an exchange coming soon. They got a hardware wallet coming soon. Well, all right. So let's talk about the app. Okay, the Safemoon app. For the Safemoon wallet, it's final. This is the app icon. And yes, again, I get it. This happened yesterday. Guys, I'm a day behind. I admit it freely because I've been on the road. But you guys, there's some of you guys who just follow my channel and just see my content. Wanted to make you aware of this. This really, but here's why I wanted to talk about this. I wanted to talk about this because Safemoon continues to execute. They continue to push the project forward. They continue to push everything that they're doing. They continue to move it forward. The wallet, again, this is not necessarily the dev team or the executive team, but there's always there's always a lot of positive movement and momentum around Safemoon, and they've got these other products coming soon. Exchange, hardware wallet, the dev team, really executive team is always out front and center doing AMAs. I love that they're out championing this product, this crypto. There's my eye, it's itching. Just it is what it is. I had somebody drop in the comments below one time, one of my videos. They said that I'm sending secret coded signals when I'm scratching my eye in some of my videos. Thought that was funny. All right, so continuing on, right? We've got a lot of really cool things that Safemoon is continuing to do. And I really like that, okay? I really like what they're doing. So let's also dive into 3 reasons why Safemoon price might rally 60% soon. Okay, so number 1, the price dipped below the May 23rd swing low to form a new bottom at 257. Now, did it bounce back from that? Absolutely, we're at 346, all right? A reversion to the mean indicates a 60% upswing. The RSI has dipped below the oversold zone, further strengthening the bounce back narrative. All that really means is, those 3 little points right there really mean that we are poised to potentially really bounce back up to and have a 60% upswing, okay? So it did experience a massive sell-off since June 15th as it deviated below its previous range low established on May 23rd. However, this deviation is likely to revert to the mean, providing an excellent opportunity for an uptrend. Keyword there you need to remind yourself of is uptrend. Okay, by the way, this is over on FX Street if you want to go read this yourself. Okay, so it created a range as it dropped 60% from 682 to 257. Since this vast crash, Safemoon briefly reverted to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of this range at 478. All right. The inability of the buyers kept Safemoon priced below this level for most of the time. Similar reversion to the mean takes place when a significant price move occurs, regardless of the direction. The recent sell-off pushed the range to low to that 257, and it has risen again 24% in the past 12 hours. More of this ascent is likely to occur shortly. So we could have some pretty decent movement back up. Okay. Therefore, investors can expect Safemoon to retest the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 470. All right, so where are we? Let's look at that. We're at 344. So they're saying the new Fibonacci retracement level is 470, okay? So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, okay? Roughly a 60% rally from the support level of 295. So 295 is our support level, and we're at 3439, okay? All right, cool. And so right here, the RSI dips in the oversold region. We just discussed that earlier when we were talking at the very beginning. It basically is oversold, so we could continue to see some movement back. We've got general, Bitcoin, general cryptocurrency markets have been continuing to move further back up. We know that. Remember, we looked at that right here. I like what I'm seeing here. Guys, remember, Bitcoin dropped. It did drop down below 30,000. And I was kind of worried while I was on the road on vacation with my family that at that dip below that 30,000 level, I was worried that we were going to start really dropping more. What was cool is that we held that line and we almost immediately came back, okay? And I do want to show you this because this is something that's relevant to you if you're talking about Bitcoin and the overall market. What does Bitcoin mean, and why should you care about Bitcoin and Ethereum as it relates to Safemoon? Because guys, remember that where Bitcoin and Ethereum go, the rest of the market go too. So we've had a major move off of the shorts. We had 25,000 down here on the red line. We had a peak of 25,000 of short selling positions on Bitcoin. Now we're only down to 2,087. Really nice. So that's eased up on that bearish pressure, okay, on Bitcoin, and it will allow it to continue to move up. And guys, if we hit over 40,000 with Bitcoin, if we can get Bitcoin to hit over 40,000, right where now we're at 34,889, man, the sky's the limit. And Safemoon, I think, firmly will continue to roll with it, combined with that just the overall market moving. But frankly, with what Safemoon's doing with products and everything they're doing, with maybe this 3 reasons why it's going to move up 60%, and potentially maybe this short squeezing scenario, all could add up to some pretty cool stuff for Safemoon. All right, guys, as always, I enjoy being here with you. Now I'm back. I'm be here with you every single day. Drop in the comments if you have any questions or anything, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.